Translation, section 1.5. To use f of x to graph a plus f of x plus b, shift f of x up if a is positive or down if a is negative. Shift f of x left if b is positive or right if b is negative. Example, semicircle, f of x equal square root of 1 minus x squared. The original function looks like this, as centered at 0, 0 with radius 1. The new function, g of x, is 3 plus square root of 1 minus the quantity x minus 1 quantity squared. We want to shift it up 3 and right 1. So it's up 3, right 1. So the center here was at 0, 0. The new center is going to be at 1, 3. 1 to the right, up 3. Another example, a semi-parabola. F of x equal square root of x. Vertex is at 0, 0. The new function, g of x equal negative 1 plus square root of x plus 2. It's going to be shifted 2 to the left and down 1. So from 0, 0, go 2 to the left, down 1, and that's our new vertex. Okay, so here's kind of a generic function. We're not given a formula, we're just giving a graph. G of x is negative 1 plus f of x, so that's a shift down. So this corner here was at 1, now it's going to go down to 0. This corner here was at 2, the y value is 2, now it's going to go down to 1. This y value here was negative 2, now it's going to go down to negative 3. The whole graph shifts down 1. Discrete function, it's kind of the same idea, except we don't really have a formula for it. But here we're adding 1 to the y coordinate. So negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. And we're adding, we're subtracting 2 from the x coordinate. So 1 minus 2 is negative 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So it's going to be a shift up 1 and left 2. This point here was at 1, negative 2. Now it's going to be at negative 1, negative 1. So everything shifted up 1 and left 2. The thing to note here is that translations are rigid transformations, and they do not change the shape. They have the same basic shapes here.